Hello, superstars. Once again, you're welcome to La Prince Wealth Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. And for those of you who are new to trading, what you're seeing on the screen is the profit for this trade. I'm going to do I'm trading with $3, and you are seeing the profit is $13 something. I'm going to show you this principle, this idea, or this strategy. All right. So first of all, you look at the market. I look at the market on a higher time frame perspective, and with higher temporary perspective, rather, you saw that the market came to test. This market has been a downtrend, but what happened that if I use my horizontal line, right, the market actually broke out of my trend line. This daily time frame, this 4 hours time frame trend line. All right. Now, when the market broke out of this trend line, you have to look out for a kind of change of character. All right. So the market broke out of this trend line, and look at what happened. Market also took out this particular high. It means that the market has changed character. So what do you look for? You look for buy opportunity. And when this change of character happen, sometimes I use fair value gap, all right, meaning I look at for fair value gap on a 4 hour time frame. But if I look at this market here, this movement up here, I didn't see any fair value gap with this 4 hours time frame. So I was looking for how to jump on the ball because I know that the market may likely go to the upside. And after this change of character happened, market went up straight, came back and do pullback with same 4 hour candlestick, red candlestick. The pullback happened. And when this pullback happened, I was expecting the market to come to test this place, but it didn't test this particular trend line. So you have to now draw another trend line, all right, to look out for change of character on a lower time frame. Change of character on a lower time frame. Now look at it here. The market in this touched this particular trend line. All right. Now you don't have to just place a trade because market has touched this trend line or market has come to retest this particular trend line, but you want to look out for change of character on a lower time frame. So I switch to 5 minutes time frame. All right, I switch to 5 minutes time frame now. You are looking for change of character. Remember, you are trading a pullback. This was, first of all, you have seen the market direction. To know the directional bias is very important. You have seen that the market is going to the upside. But now, when exactly are you going to trade the market when the market pulled back? You see the market came down with higher high, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So now that the market is here, all right. First of all, I look at the market on the 4 hours time frame before I look at the change of character as well. When I look at the market on the 4 hours time frame, I saw the market rejecting. This 4 hour was rejecting, and this one also was rejecting. So immediately I switched to 5 minutes time frame to look for change of character. What change of character I'm looking for? I'm looking for change of this character. This was a downtrend. All right. So you can also draw a trend line if you like, but I don't even draw trend line anymore. As I say, you can even draw another trend line. You are looking at for buy opportunity. All right. Now, if you look at this market right now, the market broke out. So you're seeing this was the last structure here. These are the last structure here. These are the last lower high. These are the last lower low. No, these are the last lower high. These are the last lower low. But here, the market went up here, came back to retest this place like a double bottom. All right. Now, sometimes you don't have to trade here because the market has given you a double bottom. No. Most time, if you give it a double bottom, you can still take your stop loss. But you have to wait until the market broke out of this structure. So the market aggressively broke out of this structure, meaning that is a sign of change of character. When that change of character happened, the market pulled back here. When the market pulled back and started giving you, you can now switch to 1 minute time frame to see how the market reacts. If you see a reaction of rejections on this place, that is a sign that this market may have come to an end. This temporary pullback may have come to an end. The market is about to go to the upside, and your stop loss is the most important thing. That when you place a trade here, your stop loss is small. Look at my trade here. The stop loss is just $1.04. The second one is just 83 cents. So you see that even with $3, because of how strategic I am taking this to with lower time frame, the stop loss is very small, and you can see how the trade is playing out. So if you want to do 1 into 2, 1 into 3 minutes, if you risk $1, you want to earn $3, you can still make good money. Or if you are risking $1, you want to earn $2, that's 1 into 2. With this strategy, you can make 1 into 2, 1 into 3, even swing trade. But this one right now, it's going to be a swing trade, because I'm foreseeing the market coming back to this order block. Market coming back to this order block, right? Before any reaction may happen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Join the Lapinto World Academy. Shout me up. Use the link on the bio to create an account and start trading. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.